Last year, National Geographic asked the world an important question: planet or plastic? This year, we decided to turn the tide by asking 12 young artivists from the 12 most plastic-polluted countries the same question. They answered with a universal language: art. Each artwork was inspired by real problems of their own country.
我们从小学开始就知道，塑料是最难降解的垃圾。一个塑料袋经过数百万年都不会被降解。
And shared their point of view with the world.
My country generates more than 15,000 tons of plastic waste daily, and the sad part is 40% of the waste remains uncollected.
Placed emphasis on the growing rate of plastic in the ocean, as well as the impact that microplastics have on seabirds.
I fear that the increase in tourism will just fuel the plastic pollution.
The artworks gave the ocean a voice and opened everyone's eyes to this global problem. Not only were they available for downloads, they also got the media talking. No doubt, this will be a planet year to remember.